Border updates, yan trending ngayon ng Border Loyalty TV actor actress dahil may event sila ngayon sa Robinson Novaliches 4 PM yan dahil wagi sila sa first annual Loyalty Awards ng bilang TV Actors of the Year si Barbie at TV Actor of the Year naman si David. Congrats sa Bordo. Saka ito pa, nominee din ang Bordo sa Laurus Nobilis ng Media Excellence Awards bilang Outstanding Brand Endorser. Yan si Barbie for Silka, David naman for Oppo, congrats. Kaya masaya ang Barda fans na magkasama sila, napapadalas na yung magkasama sila Barbie at David sa kanilang mga work, gaya ng endorsement ng project, tapos awarding pa. Ito yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Yan, nagbakasyon siya sa South Korea. During vacation sa South Korea, sabi niya, "What a great place Gangnam District is for book and fashion lovers. I just went there to take nice photos too. All the books from the library were in Korea and I already spent too much on food and cab rides to shop." Nag-enjoy dyan si Barbie. Kanyang short vacation. Ito pa nga, may mga maswerte pa nakapagpa-picture kay Barbie dyan sa South Korea. Sana all. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction. Like, stay tuned for more videos. See ya.